Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your premier source of electric vehicle news and updates. Today, we're taking a look at an exciting development that's set to transform the UK's electric car landscape. A £1 billion investment has been secured for a new Gigafactory in Sunderland, marking a major step forward in the country's bid to become a leader in electric vehicle manufacturing. The International Advanced Manufacturing Park will be home to this massive facility, which promises to create 1,000 high-quality jobs and power up to 100,000 electric vehicles annually. That's right, 100,000 cars will be charged every year by this very plant, helping to reduce our carbon footprint and making the UK a more attractive destination for electric vehicle manufacturers. The Gigafactory is expected to make us more globally competitive in this field and bring us closer to achieving our net zero targets. But what's behind this massive investment? Well, the government has announced that it will provide £1 billion of funding towards the plant's construction and operation. And if that wasn't enough, the Automotive Transformation Fund is also chipping in with an additional £150 million in grant funding. Now, we know that Sunderland has a rich history when it comes to manufacturing, particularly with Nissan as one of its biggest employers. But this new Gigafactory will be different. It'll be powered by Nissan's very own battery technology, courtesy of AESC UK, their battery partner. The planning process for the plant was anything but smooth sailing. The site had to navigate a complex web of regulatory hurdles and environmental concerns, including being partially located on green belt land. But after a final decision from the Secretary of State, the project finally got the green light in September last year. So, what does this mean for Sunderland and the UK as a whole? In simple terms, it means more good-paying jobs and economic growth in the Northeast. It's a major boost to the local community, putting money back into people's pockets and helping to drive innovation in the region. As we move forward with our transition to electric vehicles, projects like this one are going to be crucial in making us a leader in the field. So, let's give a big round of applause to the government and all the hardworking individuals involved in making this vision a reality. It's an exciting time for Electro Drive News.